Hey everyone, welcome back to Aimable Tech Expert. We're thrilled to have you join us today. If you're new here, we're all about bringing you the best reviews and insights on the latest tech products. From unboxings to in-depth reviews, we cover it all. I'm so glad to have you with us today. Your support means the world to us, and we love sharing our tech passion with you. We've got something exciting to look at, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd generation. This device is a game changer for smart home enthusiasts. Let's dive right into how this smart thermostat can help you save energy and enhance your home. We'll explore its features, installation process, and how it can make your life easier. The Google Nest Thermostat features a modern, minimalist design that fits any home decor. With finishes like white, black, and more, it's both stylish and functional. And the best part, it's super easy to install. Using the Nest app, you'll be guided step by step to set it up in less than 30 minutes. But here's what really sets the Nest apart. It's smart. It's not just a thermostat, it's a learning device that adapts to your lifestyle. It learns your habits and automatically programs itself to adjust the temperature based on when you're home or away. Imagine coming home to the perfect temperature every time without lifting a finger. After just a few days, it knows what you like. Whether you prefer it cooler at night or warmer in the morning, Nest has you covered. And with the Nest app, you can see how much energy you're saving. Track your usage, set goals, and make adjustments from anywhere. Look for the leaf icon. That's how you know you're making energy-efficient choices. The more leaves you see, the more you save. It's that simple. The Nest also works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with just your voice. Say something like, "Alexa, set the temperature to 72 degrees," and it adjusts instantly. Plus, you can manage it from anywhere using the Nest app, whether you're at home or on the go. One of the key benefits of the Google Nest Learning Thermostat is its energy efficiency. It helps you save up to 12% on heating and up to 15% on cooling costs every year. Plus, it's Energy Star certified, so you know it's built for maximum efficiency. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home with a smart thermostat that not only saves you money and energy but also adds a touch of modern convenience and style to your living space, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat is a fantastic choice. It learns your schedule, programs itself, and can be controlled from your phone, making it incredibly user-friendly and efficient. You can support my channel by using the affiliate link in the description to get yours. By doing so, you not only get a great product, but also help me continue to create more content like this. It's a win-win. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps others find this content too. Don't forget to subscribe to Aimable Tech Expert for more in-depth reviews, tips, and tech guides like this one, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest uploads. This way, you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content.